Hi everyone, welcome to our AP Chem tutorial on how to calculate molar mass, mass to moles, and moles to mass. To start, we'll talk about how to calculate molar mass. To calculate molar mass, you look at your periodic table, and for each element you want to pinpoint what the atomic mass is on the periodic table. So for example, for our first problem, we have calcium. We want to find the calcium atomic mass, and we can see it's 40.08. Since there's 3 calciums, we're going to do 3 times 40.08, and then we have to go to phosphor, which is 30.97, and we have 2 of those, so 30.97. And then we have 8 oxygens, and oxygen is 16.00. And our answer is and because we're adding, we're focusing on the numbers after the decimal point. So since we have 2 numbers after the decimal point, that's how many numbers we'll have. So our final answer is 310.18 grams. Okay. Now we're going to focus on sodium, hydrogen, phosphor, and oxygen. So sodium, we see, has a molar mass of 22.99. Since we have 2 of those, we do 2 times 22.99 plus the molar mass of hydrogen is about 1.01. And then the molar mass of phosphor is 30.97, and then we have 4 oxygens, so 4 times 16.00, and the answer to that, 141.96. Again, we're focusing on the amount of numbers after the decimal point, so this is the amount of sig figs we'll have. Okay?
And the unit on that is grams per mole.
Yes, grams per mole for both of them. Okay, now we're going to focus on converting mass to moles. So here we have 150.0 grams of iron oxide. So we're going to create a dimensional analysis table to do this. We'll put grams in the bottom so we can cancel it out. We have to find first the molar mass of iron oxide. So since we have 2 irons, and iron has a molar mass of 55.85, we'll do that plus 3 oxygens, which is 16.00 as its molar mass, and that calculates to 159.7, and that's what we'll put on the bottom right here. Okay. And on the top we'll put 1 mole, because 1 mole of iron oxide is equivalent to this amount of grams. And that's how you convert it. And you can cancel out your grams, and then you'll have moles as your unit. And so then you'll get 0.9393 moles. And since you're multiplying and dividing, you'll use the sig figs that they give you. Since this is 4 sig figs, we'll have 4 sig figs in our answer. Now to go over here, sorry about that. Since we have milligrams and all our mass, atomic masses on our periodic table are in grams, we'll have to convert milligrams to grams. 10.0 milligrams, and that'll be our first step. Okay, we have 1,000 milligrams per 1 gram. And then we have to find our molar mass of NO2. So nitrogen has a molar mass of 14.01, and there's 1 nitrogen, 14.01. And since there's 2 oxygens, I'll do 2 times 16.00, and that'll get me 32.00 plus 14.01, which will get me 46.01. And that'll be in grams per mole. Sorry. Okay, and then I'll put that here. 1 mole up here. 46.01 grams here. And then all our units will cancel and we'll be left with moles. 1 second. And we'll have an answer of 2.7 times 10 to the negative 4th for our number of moles. And that's part 1. In part 2, we'll focus on converting moles to grams.